So this box has travelled hundreds of kilometres from the factory it was made in into your kitchen, and its journey all started with RML.
Most people never think about how their food gets packaged, but every product on the shelf started with the same challenge. RML doesn't make the cereal, we don't make the milk, but we do design and build the equipment that packs them. We solve that challenge for many of the goods and food manufacturers you can think of.
When a company calls us, they usually all have the same problem. Their production line is the bottleneck. Maybe they're packing 1,000 units an hour and they need 3,000. Or maybe downtime's cost them thousands every day. Every machine we build is custom because every production line is different. Some customers need to pack different sized products, others need to fit tight factory spaces.
Some need speed, some need it to run 24/7, and some customers just need it all. But when we work on a project, we increase our customers' production line speeds and efficiency, which results in millions of dollars in savings.
Less downtime, more efficiency, more profit.
We had to get ourselves up to 20 metric tons per 12-hour shift. With our first solution, manual solution, we were sitting around 8 on a normal day, 12 on a great day. We were able to get up to 20 within 3 months of installation, which is powerful. We're talking up in the $1.2, $1.4 million range per year in savings, so it's pretty massive. I would absolutely recommend RML again. It's a no-brainer for us.
When the biggest and best food and goods manufacturers need production line help, they call RML.
From Fonterra, Coca-Cola, Bega Group, Manuka Health, Waddies, we've worked with most Australasian FMCG and dairy manufacturers you can think of. Because when you're responsible for feeding families across the country, you need partners you can trust. Right now across New Zealand and Australia, our machines are running in hundreds of facilities. These machines are packing the milk in your fridge, butter on your toast, or the cereal in your bowl.
So every production line has a bottleneck, and every company has a challenge that's costing it time and money.
For over 40 years, companies have trusted us with solving their problems.
What's your production challenge? We'd love to solve it.